If your home feels off or exhausting, this might be the reason why. If your bedroom mirror faces your bed directly, this could drain your energy as you sleep. And if your entranceway is cluttered, the stagnant energy follows you into the rest of your home. So today I'm giving you 5 fast Feng Shui tips to help your home to immediately start to feel calmer, lighter, and more supportive. We're doing an energy blitz. And the final hidden energy leak is something that almost everyone ignores. Number 1, the entryway is your energy filter. Your front door is where all the energy enters your home. You can think it as the house's mouth. It's actually called the chi mouth in Feng Shui. If that space feels cluttered, dark, or chaotic, that energy can spread throughout the rest of your environment. The best colors are actually neutral, like wood grain door, light colors, creams, beige, tans, light gray, sage green. Please avoid any Bagua misconceptions that tell you to use the color of the direction for your door. I am Bonnie Zahekner, Classical Feng Shui Consultant and a registered nurse. So here's your quick energy blitz reset. Clear clutter away from the door. You can use soft lighting. Open the space visually so there's not too much furniture or stuff. And you can even play calming music for 60 seconds after you walk into your home. I personally enjoy 528 Hz music because it can help you emotionally reset. Studies have found that it decreases cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases oxytocin, the love hormone. Okay, next is the area that is affecting your focus, productivity, and money flow. Number 2, your desk equals wealth activation. If you work from home or take care of your money situation from a desk, this really matters a lot. In Feng Shui, we have something we call the command position. This is when you can see the door, but are not sitting directly in front of it. Subconsciously, this helps the nervous system relax more because it can see what is coming. And if your desk faces a wall, it can create tension that is stagnant and feelings of being stuck. I love to use peppermint essential oil. It's very perky and it boosts your alertness and clarity and focus. One smell? Oh, what a pick-me-up. There's another video with essential oils, which I'll put in the link below. The quick reset is declutter your desk, and you can use an essential oil that you like that gives you a mental boost. And if possible, make sure that you can see the door and are not direct line with the door. If you are in line with the door, close the door all the way or leave it ajar 1 to 2 inches. This stops the harsh onrush of qi. In the advanced Feng Shui systems, different energies can affect your office, and a simple change can make a big difference. Now let's move to the emotional center of your home. Your living room is emotional flow. This room affects connection, conversation, and emotional harmony. And the emotional heartbeat of your home. If energy can't easily flow through a room, people subconsciously feel tension. If you have too much furniture, wall-to-wall furniture, too much stuff, that can cause challenges. Have you ever walked into a living room and instantly felt uncomfortable, like your body didn't know where to sit? That is usually an energy flow issue. One thing I like to do in living spaces is to do a little bit of sound clearing. This is my 528 Hz tuning fork. Even one clear tone can shift the energy of a room. Some people use a chime or bell. And I also love using cedarwood essential oil in living rooms. This is grounding and offers stability. It is an earthy tone of peace and comfort. Quick fix. 1. Remove clutter. 2. Remove extra furniture. 3. Sit so you can see the door for added relaxation. Actually, comment below which room in your home feels the heaviest right now. The bedroom, your living room, the entryway, your office. I'm really curious. Okay, now for the mistake that I see causing challenges with sleeping all the time. Number 4. The bedroom is your energy battery. If your bedroom has chaotic energy, it is difficult to fully recharge. The one mistake I see most often is mirrors facing the bed. In Feng Shui, mirrors are considered highly active energy. They are yang. Whereas when you want to sleep, you want the room to be calm, peaceful, and yin. And this is why calming scents can be incredibly powerful here, like lavender. Lavender essential oil is one of my favorites for the bedroom. It's calming and relaxing. Even if you diffuse it 15 minutes before you go to bed, it can help make your space feel so much better. Or you can simply put a drop on your pillowcase. Another tip is you could use 432 Hertz music, which can help calm down your system for a better night's sleep. They have done studies that actually this decreases breath rate, heart rate, and blood pressure. So if your nervous system feels overstimulated all night, a person could wake up exhausted. That affects everything: your focus, your patience, your mood, and your decision making. Here is a quick fix for your bedroom: declutter. You can remove mirrors, or what you can do is cover your mirrors up 1 to 2 hours before you go to sleep. And this can help calm down the energy of your bedroom and make it more yin for a more restful night's sleep. It is also a good idea to keep electronics to a minimum. This can make a big difference too. And the final energy leak is something that almost everyone ignores. Number 5 is hallways and steps, which is energy flow. Hallways and steps are transition spaces. If they are cluttered or filled with wall-to-wall furniture and junk, it can block the flow of the air currents of the Feng Shui Qi energy. So when areas are packed with clutter, it is like clogging the arteries in the body. Shoes, boxes, laundry piles, random storage bins. All of this slows movement physically and emotionally. And if you've ever walked upstairs and felt emotionally heavy, it can have something to do with the transition areas of your home and the flow of air currents. So here is your quick reset. Clear pathways. Remove clutter. You can brighten dark corners. Remove objects that you mentally ignore every day. Make your transitional spaces feel intentional. Here is the important thing. Feng Shui is not about perfection. It is about awareness. Your environment is constantly communicating with your nervous system, whether you realize it or not. And sometimes the smallest shift in your space can create the biggest shift in your energy. So start with one area today, then pay attention to how your home feels afterwards. If you enjoyed this energy blitz, subscribe and like, because I'm thinking about doing an energy blitz for bedroom fixes, wealth resets, office feng shui, or even a full home energy clearing series. And remember, when your space changes, you change too. Use these great tips to uplift your life to enhance your happiness and overall prosperity. See you in the next video.